What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all guys are having an amazing day. If you're not a subscriber, then do subscribe to my channel because I provide this type of quality content video each and every single time. So today we will be visiting to Jinawala Park and Wagah border, and then we have a flight to catch at night 11. So behind me in the screen, as you can see, right now I was downloading Fortnite. As I saw many YouTubers playing that, means Mo Vlogs, Logan Paul, Jake Paul, everybody are playing Fortnite. So I thought, let me also play. So do you guys want me to live stream Fortnite in YouTube or Twitch? I do also have a Twitch account. So if you want me to live stream on YouTube or Twitch, then I'll leave a poll over here, as you can see, poll here or here. So answer me in the poll. I'll be waiting for your answer. So right now the time right now. One second, I will show you. So some guys were telling that I'm not showing the time, and I'm like that only telling. So they were doubting that I'm telling the wrong time. So I will show right now. I'll show you in the mobile. The time right now, as you can see. Sorry for the mirror view. It is 9 o'clock. As you can see, it is 9:08. So the buffet system of breakfast ends at 10 o'clock, so I think we don't have much time. So let's go down and have some breakfast. At the same time, this Fortnite will get downloaded. I was thinking of playing Fortnite in the plane, so let's see. As you can see, I made back into my room. So the breakfast was amazing, but I didn't eat too much because yesterday night I ate a lot, guys. Means that roti and paneer butter masala. I ate a lot, so I was not that much hungry. So right now I'm trying to download, means install or download Fortnite. As you can see, I think it is loading. As soon as I will show to you guys. So you can tell me that if you guys want me to do live stream on Twitch or YouTube on Fortnite, do comment down below. And as I said, I left a poll, right? Answer me the poll. Here also I will leave one more poll. Answer me now. You can also answer now. Guys, as you can see, I have changed my dress. I just took a shower and changed my dress, and the time right now is, I'll show you, don't worry guys. As you can see, 11:04, and as I said, I was downloading Fortnite, right? So still now it has completed only 3%. Sorry for that background light. It has completed only 3%, and I was not knowing that the game is of 7.91 GB, which is near to 8 GB. So right now only 240 MB has been downloaded. So I don't think it will download in half an hour, so I don't think so I will play in the but I will try my level best to download it before I go to flight. So let's see what will happen. As I will show you. So as you can see, it has only been 260 MB out of 7.91 GB, and the speed is now 189 percent. I think it has gone right now, and as you can see, only 3% has been downloaded. So let's see when it will get downloaded. Guys, we are finally checking out of this hotel. The experience was amazing because of this lovely room. So right now I'll be going and calling my mom, and the door is locked. So let's go and call my mom and dad because our checkout time is 12 o'clock and the time right now is 11:30. So let's go. Are you ready? Yes. Ready? ask my mom and how was that? Jallianwala Bagh.
Felt very sad after seeing all that bullet hole and everything.
You guys also have been seen in the movie clip. What about father?
Same.
Same here too.
What mom told no. I am feel very.
Thumbs up. So guys, right now we are heading to Wagah border, and you might be guys who is the driver. So this is the same guy who took us yesterday. So right now we are heading to Wagah border. So let's go. Because I took a nap and we just had our lunch. I didn't have anything guys because my weight was upset, so I just had a glass of lassi and here is my family as you can see. How was the food? It was a dhaba on the way to Wagah border. So I asked my mom how was the food.
Food is very nice
And
it is reasonable also.
okay, that I expected that because yesterday and all we went to some restaurants, right? Because with there and all we had only little and the bill was crossed 1,500. So right now when we had our lunch over here, it just only 300 or 400 rupees it cost us. So right now we're heading to Wagah border. So let's go. Guys, we just came out of the Wagah border. The show was amazing as you all saw in the clips. So basically my sister went there and danced too. I think you have saw that. So right now I'll ask my mother how was that.
It was very, very super. I felt very wonder, amazing, surprise, everything. Super.
So that was a comment from my mother. So let's ask my dad how was it? Huh? How was it?
Very, very good. I feel proud. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
So Jai Hind and Vande Mataram. We finally made it to the Amritsar airport as you can see. तो ये भाई साहब ने पूरा अमृतसर घुमाया है. आपका नाम बताइए. सोनू. आपका फ़ोन नंबर बता दीजिए. 9 आप जब सोनू. तो आप जब कभी भी अमृतसर आएंगे इसी बंदे से कांटेक्ट करके इसी आपको ये अच्छी तरह घुमाएंगे पूरा अमृतसर, है ना? Guys, we are finally inside the airport and right now we got our boarding passes. So right now we are heading to boarding gate 2. So let's go and spend some time over there because our flight is at 11 o'clock. The time right now is 9. So let's go. The time right now is 4. Where is that? Once again. So as you can see, time right now is 4:11. So by seeing the background, you guys might be thinking where I am. So yes, guys, I'm in the airport, not Delhi airport. It is Amritsar airport. So our flight got delayed. Actually, our flight was at 11:15, and it said that the flight got delayed to 11:50. So we waited till 11:50, but then they said that the flight has got cancelled. So right now they have booked another flight, means they have not taken any money from us, but they have changed our flight to night 11 o'clock to they have booked our next flight which is at 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock we'll be flying to Delhi. To it, I think it will be 1 hour, right? So basically we'll reach Delhi in 11 or 11:30 like that, and we have a flight to catch from Delhi to Kochi which is at 2 o'clock, and we will reach Cochin at 5:30 like that. So right now my parents and all are sleeping, everybody are literally sleeping, and but I'm not getting any sleep, guys. I'm awake from last night and I'm not getting any sleep. By seeing my eyes you can guess, right? My eyes are not even red. So I'm not getting sleep, I'm just walking here and there. So I was exploring this place a little bit. So let us explore this Amritsar airport.